वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड यस मैंने अभी तक नाम नहीं दिया है बट दूंगी लेकिन कुछ हफ्तों में, क्योंकि अभी मुझे खुद नहीं पता कि मुझे क्या नाम देना चाहिए. इट्स सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज एंड डेफिनेटली आई विल कम अप विद अ नेम इन द अपकमिंग वीक्स. अगेन आपके पास अगर वो कोई सजेशन हो डेफिनेटली प्लीज डू गिव मी. आई एम ओपन अप फॉर दैट एज वेल. सो यस, लेट्स कम टू द मेन थिंग. तो क्वेश्चन यही पूछा जाता है हमेशा कि इंटर्नशिप कैसे करें, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट टाइम फॉर डूइंग एन इंटर्नशिप. सो बेसिकली इफ आई टेल यू द राइट टाइम टू डू द इंटर्नशिप इज ड्यूरिंग योर कॉलेज टाइम. डूड, अगर आप बैचलर्स कर रहे हैं, स्टार्ट डूइंग योर इंटर्नशिप इन सेकंड ईयर. स्टार्ट गेटिंग टू नो अकॉर्डिंग टू योर फील्ड कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, ठीक है. एंड इफ यू डूइंग मास्टर्स मेक श्योर यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट फ्रॉम द सेकंड ईयर. सर एटलीस्ट आपको कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत तो पता चले कि एग्जैक्टली होती कैसी है, कैसे करना है, किस हिसाब से होगा, डज इट मैच योर इंटरेस्ट और नॉट. So let's go step by step. The first thing is like research about the company so that you get along with the brand. You get to know exactly ये company करती क्या है, किस हिसाब से है, does it match your interest and career goals in the upcoming 5 years or not. So it's better you start researching about the company. As you guys know कि industry बहुत vast है, so I don't think so I have to explain about that. But yeah, first of all, research about the company before applying. The second thing comes down as the role requirement. Job description अच्छे से पढ़िए. Make sure कि वो आपके qualification से meet करता है कि नहीं करता है. Because see, it should meet your qualification at the courses that you have done during the college time. आपने 3 साल या 4 साल जो भी लगाया, does it meet or not. The next thing comes down to skill development. Guys, when you get this opportunity of the internship, make sure you grab the skills from your mentors and your seniors. Make sure you get along with them, try to understand what are the skills that you need to develop, right? So whatever the role you're playing in that company, ठीक है. The next thing comes down networking. Please guys, start using the professional platform, start making your LinkedIn profile, start getting along with people, because many industry experts are sitting in LinkedIn. They're on LinkedIn, they're trying to get along, they're sharing their insights and everything. So guys, please LinkedIn पे आइए, and any other platform is there, please definitely come on to that as well. लोगों से बात कीजिए, try understanding, see क्या insights वो लोग दे रहे हैं, किस हिसाब से है, how to grow. You'll get to know many things, right? The next thing is that portfolio. Make sure while doing an internship you're building your portfolio. आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी चीज़ कर रहे हैं, make sure कि आप उस डाटा को compile करके रख रहे हैं for your upcoming time. So by the time you pass out from your college, at least you can show to the company that this is the so and so thing I have done during my internship, so that it can help you out. The next thing comes down is the growth opportunities. So during an internship, make sure you find an internship, this mentor. Sorry. So mentor is very important, because that is the whole and soul thing. If you find a good mentor, you'll be able to understand multiple things, because that person is going to give you the insights about the company, okay, how exactly it works, right? The next thing comes down, he'll give you the real life experiences कि देखो ये situation था, this is how we worked on at that moment. And so make sure that you see the location as well. Was it feasible for you to come down there and do the internship or not, ठीक है. And the very last thing, after doing the internship, make sure you tailor your resume before sending it out to any of the company, ठीक है. So these are the things that you need to keep in your mind before getting into an internship. And definitely if you want to know more things about it, you can message me, you can ping me, you can let me know over the comments itself कि क्या और जानना है आप लोगों को. And with time even I'll make sure कि you get the best video quality and the content as well. And yes, if you guys want to know more about marketing, I can help you out. I can let you know what all the different departments and everything comes down. So yeah, I know. See you guys.